If your GOM Inspect project still contains raw measuring data, like you can see here, actual measurement series, it's possible to view a image from every single measurement position in your project. Simply go down to your 3D view toolbar and select Image Mapping. This shows an image for each measurement location. Clicking on any of these images allows you to see this image in full detail and move it around the screen. This can be fantastic to show things like dings or dents on the part, prove that they're actually there and not just an artifact of the scanning process. They can also be fantastic for picking up details that won't show up in a 3D scan. For instance, part markings with Sharpie don't actually add any thickness to the part and therefore won't show up in a 3D scan. However, these are visible in these images and you'll be able to read them and see these on the part. It's a very useful tool if you still have access to the data.